What's going on?
My throat's hurting.
So, I have work. Who's the one to look after you here?
Daddy.
Yeah. So you're not going to work. You're not going to school. I think so you're not sick. We can do the lie detector test.
No,
Why?
because that phone's flat.
No, I put in my phone. We have a look if you are lying. See? Why you smile? Alak ka!
My throat really hurts.
So why you scared for the lie detector test then?
I don't like it.
Huh?
That the lie detector is always lying.
It's not lying. Oh, daddy is here now, oh.
Two.
Two.
Go and get some honey, sweetheart.
No. It's gonna wet. You have to go.
No, we do the lie detector test if you are lying or you're telling the truth. Come on.
My throat really hurts.
What's so?
It's true.
Oh, honey will fix that.
No.
Hey, what are you doing there? What did you put there? Where's your lunchbox? Huh?
This is my little school.
No, you
Yes?
need to go to school.
It's what
Come on.
hurts.
Huh?
My throat really, really hurts.
So you go with the lemon and honey then. Hoy. Oh, kunwari din siya. Oh. Come on, let's do the lie detector test.
No.
Come on. Come on.
No.
Lunchbox. Siya, i-prepare na ako na ginambuntag.
In your attendance.
100% your attendance. Yung lunch. Halak ka, I will tell to the school. You're not really sick.
My throat really hurts.
Okay, you stay home?
Yeah.
Okay.